When you see police lights in your rearview mirror, it can be stressful. But knowing your basic rights during a traffic stop can help you stay calm and in control. First, as soon as it's safe, pull over to the right and stop the car. Turn off the engine, roll down the window, and keep your hands visible, usually on the steering wheel. The officer will usually ask for your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance. In most places, you're required to provide these. Move slowly and tell the officer what you're reaching for. You have the right to remain silent. You don't have to answer questions like where you're going, where you're coming from, or whether you've had anything to drink. You can say, calmly and politely, "I choose to remain silent." You also have the right to refuse consent to a search of your car in many situations. If an officer asks, "Do you mind if I search your vehicle?" you can respond, "I don't consent to any searches." Say it clearly and calmly. However, there are times officers may search without your consent, such as if they have probable cause or a warrant. If you're not sure whether you're being detained, you can ask, "Am I free to go?" If the officer says yes, you can leave calmly. If the officer says no, you're being detained, and you still have the right to remain silent and the right to ask for a lawyer. In many places, you're allowed to record the interaction, as long as you don't interfere. If you choose to record, do it openly and calmly, and never reach suddenly for your phone. Passengers also have rights. They can generally remain silent and may ask if they are free to leave. If they are, they can walk away calmly. Above all, stay polite. Don't argue on the side of the road. If you think your rights were violated, write down what happened as soon as you can and consider speaking with a lawyer. Laws can vary by country, state, or city. This video is for general information only and is not legal advice. For advice about your specific situation, always consult a qualified attorney. Want to make clear, helpful explainer videos like this without any hassle? Head over to vidfactory.ai and create your own animated videos quickly and easily.